How would it feel to retire with financial independence in just 7 years, starting from nothing? If you're in your 40s or 50s and feel like you're already behind, this might sound impossible, but it's not. In fact, thousands of people have done it, even with little to no savings. And today, you're going to find out how. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a 7-year blueprint that will turn your financial situation around. It won't be easy, but it's possible, and you're going to learn exactly how to do it. Let's get real for a second. Many of you watching today are probably feeling the weight of debt, low savings, and uncertain income. Whether it's credit card bills, mortgages, or student loans, it feels like your financial dreams are slipping away, especially when you're in your 40s or 50s. According to recent studies, 70% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings. For many of us, getting ahead feels impossible. But here's the truth. It's not about where you start, but how fast you move forward. And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. How to build a path to financial independence starting right now, with nothing. Ready to reset your life? Here's your 7-year blueprint to financial independence. First year, extreme savings and debt payoff. Your first year is going to be intense. The focus is on cutting expenses to the bone and paying off as much debt as possible. You'll need to drastically change your lifestyle. Think, moving to a smaller home, cutting back on eating out, or selling things you don't need. But here's the key. Aggressively saving and paying off debt frees up resources to build wealth. We're talking about a 50% to 70% savings rate. This is your launch pad for everything that comes after. From second to fourth year, building multiple income streams. By the second year, you need to start focusing on building income. At this stage, the goal is to boost your income through strategic side hustles, freelancing, or starting an online business. High-impact strategies, side hustles, whether it's consulting, teaching, or driving for rideshare apps, you need to add at least one additional stream of income. Start an online business. If you've ever thought about freelancing or offering a service online, now's the time. This is about growing your income exponentially. You're not just working your 9 to 5. You're creating income streams that scale over time. From 5th to 7th year, strategic investing for wealth growth. Now, it's time to think bigger. You've eliminated your debt and are building more income. But to reach financial independence, you need strategic investments. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even high-return peer-to-peer lending, your money needs to work for you. Key action steps. Invest in low-cost index funds. You don't need to be a stock market expert to start building wealth. Focus on broad index funds that provide consistent returns over time. Real estate. With extra income, start exploring real estate. Even a small rental property can provide consistent passive income. Tax-advantaged accounts. Max out your 401k, IRA, or other retirement savings accounts. These will provide long-term growth, especially in the last few years. Let's talk mindset. The hardest part of this journey won't be the finances. It'll be the mental strength you'll need to get through it. It's easy to doubt yourself when things aren't happening fast enough. You'll face obstacles. People may question your choices. There may even be moments when you wonder if it's worth it. But remember this, you're playing the long game. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins. Every time you pay off debt or make an extra income, you're moving closer to the finish line. Tip number 1, stay consistent. It's not about being perfect, it's about staying on track. Keep your vision clear and remind yourself of the goal. Tip number 2, avoid burnout. Take time to recharge. Working 100-hour weeks isn't sustainable. Focus on balance and mental clarity. Now it's your turn. The road to financial independence isn't easy, but it's possible. And you don't need to wait for the perfect time to start. Step 1. Calculate your FI number. How much do you need to retire by 60? Step 2. Track your expenses for the next month. Cut out anything that isn't moving you toward that goal. It's time to make your financial reset a reality. If you're ready to commit to this 7-year journey, hit that like button, comment below with your own timeline, and subscribe for more actionable strategies. Remember, you have 7 years to transform your life. Let's get started today.